Okay, the other day a viewer asked me how we can project the outline of a rotated object like this torus onto a surface, and there are two ways to go about it. I will show you both. The first one, let's go to the top view, select the torus and look for create outlines, pressing F, create outlines. Let plasticity calculate. Plasticity has created two outlines. So if we hide the torus, that's what we have. We just need to project them onto the surface of the cube. Select the cube, press Shift-I for running the imprint curve, select your imprint curves, and there you have it. You can do it this way. You can project them if you want to keep the curves which are being created by the projection separate. Select the cube, look for project. So run the command, select both curves. That way you create new curves, as you can see from the outliner. That's the first way. The second method is even faster. So let's select our solid and look for alternative duplicates. There you have it. The shortcut for that is Alt-D. Again, let plasticity calculate. Boom, you have here already projected outline directly on your construction plane, which you then can project onto a surface or whatever. Peace!